In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google Calendar to your desktop in Windows 10 or 11. This is a great way to have your calendar readily accessible without needing to open a separate browser tab every time. Let's get started with these simple steps. First, open up your Chrome browser and type in calendar.google.com into the address bar. If you're not signed into your account already, you may be prompted to do so. Ensure you use the Google account that contains your calendar information. This is the foundation of our whole process, so make sure you're on the right account. Once you're in and can see your calendar, direct your attention to the top right corner of the Chrome window. You're looking for 3 vertical dots, sometimes referred to as the More button. Clicking this will reveal a drop-down menu with several options for you to choose from. Now that you have the menu open, hover your mouse over the option that says Save and Share. You should see another set of options appear next to it. From this extended menu, select Install Page as App. This nifty feature allows you to essentially pin your Google Calendar to your desktop, making it act like a standalone app. After selecting this option, a pop-up window will appear on your screen. It will ask for confirmation on whether you want to install Google Calendar as an app. Simply click on Install to confirm. Once the installation is complete, you'll notice a new icon on your desktop or in your Start menu, depending on your settings. This icon opens up your Google Calendar directly, bypassing the need to launch a web browser first. It gives you instant access to your events, reminders, and everything else you have set up in your calendar. Now, a quick tip for an even smoother experience. Once you've added the app to your desktop, you can right-click on the icon to pin it to your taskbar. This gives you even faster access and ensures you're never more than one click away from all your upcoming appointments and reminders. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, your Google Calendar is now easily accessible straight from your desktop. This setup can help streamline your workflow, making it easier to stay organized and on top of all your commitments. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other videos for more helpful tips on optimizing your Windows experience.